to show you how to use the liquid glass texture pack to displace images. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open two Photoshop files that are the same dimensions. I have this one and this one that are both 1920 by 1080. So in the first one you want to place the photograph you're wanting to displace, and the second one you're going to use to displace that photograph. So make sure you save this file in a place you'll remember where to retrieve it. So now that I have my photo in the first file, in the second file, I'm going to navigate to where I put the liquid texture pack, and I'm just going to drag a couple of these into the Photoshop file. One there, one, okay, and let's go with one there. Beautiful. Wow. I'm just going to size these up until they look cool, and then I'll show you what to do from there. Alright, so I'm happy with this layout. What I'm going to do is save this file. Very important that you save at this point. Now I'm going to navigate back to my other Photoshop file, the one with the photo. I'm going to make sure the photo is selected and go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. 50 pixels, I'm going to go nuts. I'm going to go 100 pixels. This just basically indicates how extreme your displacement will be. And then you'll have this dialog box here. You're going to want to select your second Photoshop file, the one that's for displacement. Click Open. Then you can see that this image here has been crazy warped and displaced. But we don't have the bubbles on top of it, and that's a problem. So that's an easy fix. Just go to your second Photoshop file. Make sure both of these are selected. Copy them and paste them in this Photoshop file, and just drag them until they line up with the displacement. Then what I like to do from here is change the opacity or fill to around 40-50%. That looks good.